Ay nako, time check. Ano na, 12:30 a.m. na. Kailangan ko pang pumasok mamayang madaling araw. Pero eto na naman tayo. This is not about SB19 for this video. If you guys are new here, I've said it many times, multi-stan ako ng mga P-pop group. And nanonood ako ng TJ Monterde concert sa YouTube. Ang dami ko na napanood na clips. Tapos, I don't know where may nakita akong bagong, at least for myself, first time ko siyang makita. Calista. Or maybe nakita ko na siya before, hindi ko lang siya masyadong, parang, ng time na yun, hindi pa ako nakuha. Pero, tonight, I'm telling you, na-catch ako dun sa isang niyang music video. I was like, wait, hold on. Sabi ko, let me listen to this one. And as usual, I want the raw footage of myself, you know? So, mag-react tayo ng video ng Calista. Title is Alas 12, official music video. And it looks like it was posted 6 days ago. So, let's see. I'm excited. I don't know any of them. Wala akong alam sa history nila at all. So, let's see. So pretty. I just wanna say, ang ganda nila lahat. And I think nakanganga ako the whole time. They're so pretty. What the hell? Ang ganda ng poses. Maganda. Maganda. Huwag niyo itulog. Oy, okay. Well, you know, intro is my thing as well. If you guys nakikita niyo naman ng video ko, super attracted din ako sa mga intro. Like, first 10 seconds, catchy dapat. And it's giving. Ang ganda ng choreo. I was like, ba't ngayon ko lang to nakita? Ang pulo na ng mata ko. Diyos ko, kailangan ko na matulog. It's so pretty. And yung boses. Ito dapat yung mga ini-stan, okay? I'm not a hater sa ibang groups, ibang country, but bestie, dugong Pinoy, oh, puro. And you don't have to like translate. No translation needed, okay? So cute. Ang laki ng bebe ko. Mukhang may dance craze na magaganap. After this, stalk ko na sila sa Instagram, okay? Ang ganda! Sino siya? Nakakadala yung tugtog. It's like, I wanna dance at this time. It's 12:30 in the morning. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. They're all so pretty. Ano skincare niyo? Ang galing niya ng makeup. Sino nag-makeup nito? Ang galing din. Sana mag-boom sila. I guess nag-boom sila before. Hindi ko lang masyado siguro sila nakikita, pero mag-boom pa sila lalo. I'm praying and hoping. I didn't expect a rap. I thought it was like more of like I don't know, like Twice, Dance the Night Away. It's giving me that vibe. I don't know if you guys know that song. Ang cute ng music video. You guys have to watch the music video too. Hindi ko pa masyadong maintindihan yung lyrics, by the way. I just understood Alas 12, that's it. I think my, what do you call that? My chapter. This is second chapter, Dapat Hapon. It says dun sa music video. If you guys can see on the bottom left, it says something. She's so pretty. Cute ng outfit nila. Ang ganda. I remember tuloy yung SB19 when they were starting. Talagang, it's yung outfit nila talaga super support din ng mga Pilipino. Ang tawag dun, Filipino stylist talaga. Ang cute. Parang yung outfit nila is parang Disney princess kasi the girl was wearing color ng Snow White. Then the other one looks like it's giving me Rapunzel. Ang kulit. This girl. Okay, siya yung may pinaka mabigat for rap. Parang iba yung atake niya. Maganda yung bosses niya. Maganda yung bosses niya. I love it. Magaling din siya. Yung isa. What the hell? Magaling sila sa rap. Magaling sila sa rap. I wonder kung sino like main vocalist nila. Like, wala talaga akong kakilala sa kanila. Tapos nalilito ako sa mga mukha nila. Pero sila magkakamukha. They're all pretty. These two, they're good sa rapping. Medyo hawig niya si Gigi Delana. She's pretty. Okay, I'm thinking about what's happening on the music video. I think I understood now without even understanding the lyrics. By just watching in the title Alas 12, and then they're wearing like princess dresses. I think it's like Cinderella type, like my time limit, you know, Alas 12. I think that's what it is. Oh, galing niya sumayaw. Who is that? I don't want to assume, but she looks like she's giving me the leader vibe. It's either the leader of the group or she's the main dancer. So, ano mag-pop off yung dance craze nila. I like it. It's so cute. Tapos lahat ng mga fans and viewers naka-princess, outfit. Ganon. Oh. Yeah, it really is like princess. See the other lady wearing Cinderella color? Oh, so cute. Oh, cute. Okay. And also they have a video performance. Performance video. that was posted 4 days ago. I think after watching this music video, I'm gonna watch this one so I can see more of yung faces nila and like how they perform individually and as a group. I think it's gonna be fun. But hey guys, hey bestie, I'm telling you, you guys have to watch this P-pop group as well. 2025 na, it's time to support our P-pop group, you know? And once I get to know more about the group, oh my god, I think I'll be able to choose it's gonna be my bias record, you know, and so on and so forth. You already know how it works as a fan of a group, especially P-pop group. Shucks, I'm excited for myself dito sa Kalista. I'm eyeing somebody right now. The one who was wearing bangs na I thought who was a leader. Let's see, because right now, siya yung nakikita ko, but it might change, you know how it works. And thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys around here. Oh, yeah, I forgot to say again, welcome. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. This is my Diary of Tips. Bye! By the way, I just saw yung logo nila. I think I saw them before dun sa P-popcon. I think nag-perform sila kasi yung flower looks familiar. Yeah, I think I saw them before.